Hey everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make tonkatsu sauce. I received many requests and finally making this video. It's quite easy. You can make it with seasonings on hand. By the way, my kids love this tonkatsu sauce. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. If you have a mortar and pestle, grind 1 tablespoon of white sesame seeds. In this way, you can enjoy the peak aroma and flavor. Then add the seasonings you can measure by eye. 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. For example, tomato sauce in Australia is okay. 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. If you don't have it, you can skip it. It adds sour taste and spicy flavor. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Any sugar, honey, or syrup is okay. It's to balance out the flavor. If you think your ketchup is too sweet, you can skip it. Mix all the ingredients together. And now it's done! Dishes to serve with tonkatsu sauce is in the description box. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
Worcestershire. うちとも美味しい。でもやっぱりこれが好きなのに。
すごいね、キャベツがご飯代わりになってる。
皆さんもぜひ作ってください。チャンネル登録お願いします。ゲットボタン押してね。バイバイ。